Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will show you how to make coffee jelly at home, a delightful dessert that's surprisingly simple to prepare. First, let's talk about the essentials. You'll need some strong brewed coffee, unflavored gelatin, and your favorite sweetener. Opting for a robust coffee blend will give your jelly a wonderfully deep and rich flavor. Remember, precise measurements are key to getting that perfect, wobbly texture and delicious taste every single time. Now, let's get into the brewing and preparation. Start by brewing 2 cups of really strong coffee. A dark roast works wonderfully here. Once brewed, let it cool down just a little bit. While that's happening, take 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin and sprinkle them over 1/2 cup of cold water in a small bowl. Let that sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Then, stir the bloomed gelatin into your warm coffee until it's fully dissolved and smooth. Next up is sweetening and setting your delicious creation. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, or your preferred sweetener, to the warm coffee and gelatin mixture. Stir it thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved, tasting and adjusting as needed. Once sweetened, carefully pour the mixture into a shallow dish or into individual molds. Then, place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or until it's perfectly firm and beautifully set. Finally, it's time to serve your wonderful coffee jelly. Once it's completely firm, carefully cut it into small, uniform, bite-sized cubes. You can even use small cookie cutters for some fun shapes. This dessert is best served chilled, and it's absolutely delicious with a drizzle of condensed milk, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy this refreshing and delightful treat you've made right at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.